This sad looking guy is a Chinese Evergreen. It's a red emerald, and despite it looking like it's at death's door, this is actually an okay, healthy plant. I know, right? So let me tell you why. This guy is all about the canopy. When it gets leggy like this, it will only give energy and effort to the topmost plant, or the topmost leaves, because it wants to make sure that all of the chlorophyll and photosynthesis happen as easily as possible. Consequently, when it needs to, or when it feels like some things aren't pushing their weight anymore, like these leaves, they'll get droopy and yellow and eventually brown and die off. And you might think, oh my God, what have I done? When you haven't done anything wrong at all. I'm gonna be doing something that I'm actually nervous about doing, and that is chopping it down because I want it to be bushier. But I'm nervous because this means that, so I bought this at Lowe's. And like, you know, their little clearance plant section. And it came in those cages, you know, like the little plant root jails. It's 3 plants instead of 1. And over the years, this is an old guy. This is probably, I don't know, he's old. And this is the last of those 3. So kind of sentimental about it. Don't want to do it, but I know that it's okay for me to chop and prop this. I just don't want to. So let me give you a quick run over about the agalanomia. I don't know how to say it. You know I don't know how to say these things. Here is a quick run over on the Chinese Evergreen. To keep this leggy, or to stop letting it be leggy, I'm gonna do some cutting. And essentially this plant is like, I should chop it probably right around here so that it will have some room, but that's a big chop. But I'm gonna do it. So let's sterilize with isopropyl alcohol. Here we go. And then of course, we're going to cut these guys off. I am going to chop this down. This node I will be putting into a prop box and getting that to grow. And then this guy I will also be chopping down and getting that to grow. So we're gonna have a couple of nodes from this guy. And I don't know if this is accurate, but I always feel like chopping them at an angle helps. Can't hurt. So this is probably a little too long, but let's try. Well, I guess I've done murder now. Can't think about that now. I'll think about it tomorrow. And let's put this in a prop box and see how it goes.